Here we're replacing the low beam on a Volkswagen Jetta. You remove this cover right here, this cap, it simply pulls back. On the back here you have the light bulb, and you just twist this. There's the light bulb. So this light bulb, you simply remove it by pulling it out. When you insert the new one, make sure you're wearing gloves so you're not touching the glass with your bare fingers. You push that in there, simply slide in. Pay attention to this right here. This side is gonna have to be in the same position. It won't fit on this side, so there's only one way to put it. And then you line it up in the housing. You don't need to push hard towards the headlight. Just line it up these tabs at a little bit of an angle. And then you're twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. And that's all there is to it. Now there is some wires here. You want to make sure those are out of the way. So, what is it? It's all the way in. Simply turn it and it locks in place. Take the cap and reinsert it. That's it.